Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. It's Wednesday, February 8th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. Positive trade, especially here in soybeans. Really what you feel like you're running into is there's no real sellers right now in this market. So Brazil only about 10% harvested at this point. U.S. really, most of the farmers have sold their beans or they're backing off for now, not wanting to sell them anytime soon. And so you don't really have a whole lot of sellers in that market. And because of that, it seems to just be able to be positive. And it's looking to come towards that top end of the range once again. So some support being up 16 cents on the day. You do have a crop report tomorrow, so that can change everything there. Corn market up higher, but not as much as soybeans. Wishing you'd see a little bit more out of here because you do need to have that relationship come into a line to a degree. Otherwise, you're going to see too many bean acres planted here in the U.S. Corn up about 2.25 on the day. Still struggling to get to $4. So just above $3.97 on D17 corn. So really trying to chase after that $4 number. And then wheat anywhere from a penny or three higher there. Like I said, crop report here tomorrow, so that's going to be a big deal. More so for the South American numbers. You just don't have a whole lot of changes typically to the U.S. numbers. Usually they wait a little bit before they make any more changes there to see how demand structure changes once South America has a little bit more of a crop. Also crop insurance, what we have so far for the month, $3.95 on corn, $10.18 on soybeans, $5.62 on wheat. So that's where your numbers are coming in there. Meat markets got a little bit of selling pressure here about midday. Feeder cattle, live cattle down anywhere from $1.25 to about $1.90. And then lean hogs actually broke later in the day. Front month stayed supported, but deferred's down about 47.5 cents. So not a huge move there, but a little bit of pressure. Over into the outside markets, not a whole lot of movement. Dow traded both sides, same with the US dollar. Crude was probably the most surprising one, down about 50 cents. And then EIA came out and they released that crude oil stocks grew drastically. They were expecting about a 2 billion bushel or 2 billion barrel change, and they actually saw just over 13 or 14 billion barrels increased into that supply. So obviously what OPEC was doing with their cuts just isn't working. You're having other nations pick up on it, including the US. And so really that was bearish information for crude oil, but you saw some buying come into it there. And so a little bit of support into crude market being up anywhere from 15 to 25 cents after that information. Also tomorrow, a big one is going to be export sales. That'll probably be the biggest domestically for US versus the crop report, unless you see any big surprises there. I do have to close with the disclaimer, trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.